race for y'all. So what I have here is a brand new Audi RSQ8. And so we've done some cosmetic stuff to this. As far as performance wise, it's completely stock. So you'll notice we have Alpha 1 wheels on here. They got the carbon fiber lips, phenomenal wheel company, really good quality. We've just done some subtle things. So we lowered it, tinted the windows, paint corrections, ceramic coated. We deleted the rear wiper, blacked out the taillights. So just some subtle stuff for now. We're gonna be doing some performance stuff to this later, but for now it's just completely stock. And then we have an Audi R8 V10 Plus over here. So again, this car is also completely stock. We have a lot of stuff in store for this car and this platform in particular, but I'm not gonna get into that in this video, so we'll be releasing that later on. So what we have is, before we've done anything to either one of them, we're just gonna stack them up together, see how they compare. So this is gonna be in RS2, which is the top performance mode, and this is gonna be in dynamic mode. So we're gonna do a dead stop, probably 30, 50, 60 roll, probably do a few different ones. Now I'm sure that this is going to beat it. I just kind of want to see like what the difference is, and if we get going a little bit faster. So this is the same platform as a Huracan, 5.2 liter V10 naturally aspirated. This is the same platform as the Urus. So this is a 4 liter V8 twin turbo engine. So obviously this is much bigger, heavier. This is more light, nimble. This is going to beat it. I just don't know exactly how much. So figured it'd be a good comparison just to put them up against each other and see how they stack up. So let's get to it. So I don't know if how many of y'all seen these. There's not a whole lot of them out there. This is really an incredible vehicle. The lighting on the interior, the tail lights, I absolutely love this thing. So this one, what we're doing is we're gonna start off with just something simple, probably race filters, downpipes, and tuning. And this should respond really well. Basically expecting, right in line with what a Urus does. We're actually going to be doing probably either a stainless or a titanium system, and I think we're going to go with Rift. We're actually a dealer for Rift exhaust, and for any of y'all that don't know who Rift is, it's RYFT. They make some exceptional high quality exhaust systems. They usually only do limited production runs, so it's not a super mass produced piece. They're extreme attention to detail, very artistic. They're either stainless or titanium, and a lot of times they'll just do like numbered sets. So they'll make X amount of sets for a particular platform, and then that's it. So we're a dealer for them, really high quality stuff. So it might go with a system from them. All right, we'll go on one. You ready? 3, 2, 1. I feel like once it got to a certain point, I was sort of like staying kind of, you were way out in front, but it was like you weren't like gaining that much ground, I didn't feel like.
I think we should do rollers as well.
Yeah, 100%. 3, 2, 1, go. She's just too heavy. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so results are pretty much what we expected. We knew this was gonna beat it, just didn't know how bad. in all honesty, considering like what this is, I didn't think it was like that bad. You know, this is a phenomenal daily driver. You can take this to take it on a trip, vacation, kids, soccer practice, grocery store, whatever you wanted to do. This is obviously a sports car, so you could drive this every day. It's just not near as practical. Okay, so pretty predictable results. So now I want to talk a little bit about the Alpha One wheels that are on this Audi right here. All right, everybody, so we're back at the shop. So what we did is we got this in their detail booth. We do all in-house detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating. That's all done by OCD Detailing. They do stuff in-house for us. Phenomenal job. So we got the wheels off the car. We did all the cleaning and ceramic coating on all the brakes, the backing plates, the fender liners, everything. So this really cuts down on brake dust. So the wheels right here, these are Alpha One wheels. So we're a dealer for them. They make a really phenomenal wheel, made in USA, so no overseas junk. These feature the carbon fiber lip, which they do have on a lot of different wheels. And they make any kind of custom design that we want. So if you have a wheel that you see on their website and you kind of want something custom tailored to you, then we can do that. So we end up doing that for a lot of customers, so they have a very unique wheel that nobody else has. So, like I said, the quality here is really phenomenal, and we are actually doing a set of these on the Demon Hawk. So for Demon Hawk 2.0, we're gonna do a set of weld drag packs. So we're gonna show you custom CNC machine calipers for the wheels that we're putting on there. And then we're also gonna do a set of Alpha One wheels on the Demon Hawk. So stay tuned for a future video coming up very soon with all that stuff. So see you guys later.